In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist on Mailchimp, a complete guide to getting your audience organized and ready for your next exciting launch. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by setting up or choosing your audience in Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once in, navigate to the audience section and click on all contacts. If you already have an audience, that's perfect. You can use that. If not, you'll need to create one by selecting Create Audience. Enter the necessary details, including your from name and reply to email, and then save these settings. This audience will be the heart of your waitlist as it collects everyone who signs up. Next up, we need to create a waitlist tag to help you keep track of who's joining. Go back to your audience settings and select tags. Click on Create Tag and name it something easy to remember, like Waitlist, Pre-Launch 2025, or Beta Signups. Once you've entered your preferred name, click Save Tag. This tag will automatically be added to each person who joins through your form, making organization a breeze. Now it's time to build your waitlist signup form. There are several ways to do this, but we'll focus on using Mailchimp's form builder today. Navigate to Audience, then Signup Forms, and choose Form Builder. Select Signup Form and add the fields you want, such as first name and email. Don't forget to personalize the form title. Something like "Join the waitlist for our next launch" will catch attention. Customize your confirmation messages to keep it friendly and engaging. For example, "You're officially on the waitlist," or "We'll email you when doors open." After the form is set, you'll want to create a confirmation or thank you email using Mailchimp's automations feature. Go to Automations and select Customer Journeys or Classic Automations. Pick when a tag is added as your starting point, selecting your waitlist tag as the trigger. Then create an action to send email. In your message, you can say something like, "You're officially on our waitlist. We'll keep you updated as soon as we launch." Add the branding, logo, and social links to align with your other marketing materials. Remember to turn on the automation to activate these communications. Before launching your waitlist, it's crucial to test the entire workflow. Use your own email to sign up and ensure that you receive the confirmation email and are correctly tagged within your audiences. If everything works smoothly, congratulations, you're ready. Finally, share your waitlist far and wide. Add the link to your Instagram bio, share it on Facebook, LinkedIn, or even on your website banner. Don't forget the power of an email signature as a subtle yet effective promotional space. Mailchimp's social post tool can also help you easily promote your waitlist straight from your dashboard. And that's it. You're all set to create and manage a waitlist on Mailchimp. Happy launch!